Hey you guys, welcome to this week's OMG Tuesday. It is late at night and I don't really know why I am filming this right now, but I couldn't wait. I wanted to dig into these. I have a magnetic lash from the drugstore. This is $14, it's not $60. I know in the past I had tried out the 1-2 lash and it pretty much was a disaster. That video is kind of like, it's just not cute. It didn't work. And I bought that with my own money. It was too expensive. It was too hard to use. My eyelashes looked weird. And long story short, I never used it again. So when I saw that they had these from Ardell, I got immediately curious because the difference also is, well, A, they're $14, they're not $60. B, this has a full strip of lashes. So I'm kind of curious how that's going to work out. You kind of sandwich your lashes in between the two lashes, and then that's going to be a lot of lash. But we're going to see what happens. We're going to try on the different styles. They have an accent style. They have the double wispies. They have the Ardell double demi wispies, which I feel like these are the same ones that they just sell standard. And this is a style that I already know that I love. And then we have the double 110s. Okay, so we're gonna try these out and pray for the best, because you know what? Wouldn't that be incredible to be able to just go and like not deal with the glue? Because right now I have falsies on from Blinking Beauty. I'm wearing the number 6, which I love. Like, these look very pretty, but by the end of the day, like right now it's like 7:30, I just want to like rip them off and be done because it's uncomfortable. And it's like the glue at some point starts to irritate your eyes, and then you have to clean the glue off of it, and it's a whole thing. So if this works, it will be a dream come true, but let's find out together. I'm gonna scoot you guys a little bit closer, and we're gonna see if this really weird, strange product works out. Let's take the lashes off. Oh God, it's like I'm waxing my lashes. Ooh, you shouldn't do this. Kids, don't do this at home. Ow. No. I lost a precious lash. So we're gonna first start with the double demi wispies, and I'm kind of like, how? Oh, weird. Oh my gosh, that is so strange. That actually looks like a decent lash. So we're gonna put the top one down first. That looks like a pretty good lash, right? Okay, this is challenging for sure, but I'm not giving up. Ugh. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna lean really close to the mirror and see if I can really get this on there. There is definitely a learning curve here. Okay, I'm not giving up though. I really want this to work. Okay, I could be here all night. This is not working. Maybe another style. Let's just try the corner ones. This might work because you have more control. Okay, that is on there. And then okay, what I want to know is who's okay with like looking down and having that. Like, that's what I want to know. Look, you guys, I am trying so hard. Okay, that's like fine. We're okay. And then okay, I think I finally got this one on. What do you guys think? Like, looking down, is it okay? I'm gonna try and cross my fingers and see if I can do the other side. That's not so terrible, right? Like, that's not terrible, right? Oh my gosh, I need to take a picture to see how the lash band looks, which is actually one of my secret makeup tricks of making sure that your eyeliner is good and your lashes are good. Just bust out your phone and take a photo looking down. And then you can kind of really see, oh, the harsh truth. It's not that great. Okay, we need a little more work. But I think with practice, you do get a little bit better with these. And they're more sturdy than the other 1-2 lashes are. Let's visit one more style. This is the double up. And just, I don't know, let's just see what happens. So, I'm gonna go. That. Yeah, this is just, it's just not working with the full band because it just snaps and doesn't want to lay down on the inner corner. The full lash is just not for me. It's just absolutely not for me. Oh my God, that like jumped out of my hand. I'm gonna put these like accent lashes back on and I want to see what James thinks. I'm gonna call him in here. See, that was pretty easy, actually. All right, you guys, I am looking in the monitor and I have to say, like, aside from the whole magnetic thing, I actually really like this style of lash and I never wear just accent lashes. Like, I'm kind of into it. It gives you like a nice peek at your shadow through here and just kind of changes the shape of the eye. So I really like that, but I want to ask James's opinion. So I'm gonna have him come into the beauty studio and get his take on the whole magnetic lash. You're shy today? You don't want to be on camera?
Not really.
Why?
You know what? They're not bad. I think you look beautiful today.
That's a smart answer. Keep going.
I think that they're interesting, but I think that I prefer a fuller
That's like the
lash
man
on you.
answer that's safe, by the way. What do you think of these shoes that are glittery and weird? They're interesting. That's the man answer.
Okay. No,
They're interesting?
They are interesting. I'm not used to you wearing a non-complete lash. It doesn't cover your whole lid.
I like it.
Well, good for you. I think it looks fun.
Thanks. Well, what do you think of can you see the magnets? Can you see magnets?
I don't see magnets.
How do they look when I look down?
Do you want my honest answer?
No, lie to me.
They look fantastic. No.
Okay, bye, James. We've had enough from our visit from James. He didn't want to be on camera because he's all sweaty from the gym. Bye.
This is what I think.
Oh, I just made your hair even like 100 times worse.
This is what I think. Shut up. Okay, no, real quick.
I can't.
Real quick.
What?
So you know how meticulous you are with putting your lashes on?
Yes.
If you had put these on with glue, I would probably suggest for you to redo them. Actually, I would never suggest you to redo your lashes. But if you like looked at me and were like, are these on straight? I would say, no, they're not on straight.
And that concludes our video. All right, bye, James. Thanks for being here. I have so many emotions right now, you guys. I really, really, really wanted to like these lashes. I wanted them to work. Gosh dang it. Why? Do it. It doesn't work, you guys. I mean, they're fun to try out. I believe Sally's is going to be carrying these lashes, but it's not the answer to our prayers. It is not like a fix for glue-on lashes. I do have a lot of recommendations for lashes. If you watch my videos, you can expand the description box. I will always have what lashes I'm wearing. As far as glue goes, I really like the Ardell glue, the Duo glue. I use Callus glue, Velour Lashes glue. Those are all great latex-free options. And, you know, practice makes perfect, especially with glue-on lashes. Just take your time with them. I feel like right now with glue-on ones, I have more control to get the corners down and make it really look like it is part of my lash line, which with a magnet, you really can't because it has 3 separate magnets and they just kind of want to cling everywhere and it doesn't lay perfectly rounded to the curve of your eye, at least not on me. I just spent about 45 minutes playing around with these, trying to get them to work, and I thought they worked kind of, the accent ones, but you know, up close it just does not look good. So I'm gonna say save your cash. This one didn't work out, but Ardell lashes still are a great option for lashes at the drugstore, the regular ones, and we're gonna leave it at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button. I love it when you guys do that and support me, and it lets me know that you like the video. So if you enjoyed it, please do that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.